This video will show you how to uninstall the stock catback exhaust on all 2015 through 2023 GT Mustangs with active exhaust.
So for this install, you're going to have to remove your entire exhaust system. Luckily, it all comes off in one piece, and you might need to get the help from a friend. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is unplug the active exhaust valve from the muffler. And I'm just going to do this on both mufflers. So now I'm going to use a 13mm socket with a short extension on my ratchet to remove the 2 bolts in each of the hangers for the mufflers, and then I'll just push the hangers for the mufflers out of the way and move forward on the exhaust system. Once again, with my 13mm, I'm going to come up here to the hangers that are on the bottom of the cross member, and I'm going to remove those bolts, but leave the hangers in place until I'm ready to remove the system. Next, I'm going to use a 15mm socket on my impact gun to loosen up the 4 nuts on these sleeve clamps for the catback of the exhaust. I'm going to slide these clamps back out of my way, and then with the help of a friend, I'm going to drop the whole exhaust system in one piece. All right, so now with the help of a friend, I'm going to pull the whole exhaust system down in one piece.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Mustang, keep it here at AmericanMuscle.com.